Hello people! Today I'm about to make a famous Dalgona coffee. But hold up, I don't have a beater. So what do? I bring in the secret weapon, my chai channi. Yes, the very thing that strains your chai leaves is going to help me whip this coffee into shape. Let's see if this chai channi is as versatile as I think it is. A little magic and a whole lot of patience. Alright, I have got instant coffee, sugar and hot water. Classic Dalgona ingredients, but here's the twist. I'm skipping the fancy mixer and going old school with the chai channi. Now comes the hard part, the whisking. And no, not with the beater, not with the spoon, but with the mighty chai channi. I have been at this for 15 minutes. Okay, look at this. A Dalgona coffee made without a beater thanks to the chai channi. This is so amazing. Alright, that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me make Dalgona coffee with the chai channi. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more fun content like this. Also, let me know in the comments if you are try making this yourself or if you have got any other crazy kitchen hacks I should try out next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative and keep stirring things up. Bye.